Thank you guys for joining me back on my channel, Backbush Beauty by Indy. So I'll be doing one of my simple everyday makeup routine. Nothing too glam, just something simple everyday routine that you can wear out if you're going out to the supermarket, to the clothing store, anywhere. But before we get into that video, gentle people, please remember to subscribe, click that notification bell, like, share, and leave your comments below. All right, lovely people, welcome back. So I'm gonna start my makeup. So today, as I said, it's a simple makeup routine. It's not going to be anything glam, it's just going to be simple, right? So normally persons would do their skincare routine on video. However, I did mine offline, off camera. Sorry. So you can also check out my video on my channel. I'll leave the link in the description box below. That's my daily skincare routine, right? So you can just look out for that in my description box below. So let's start off with our simple makeup, daily makeup. All right, so I've already applied my primer, which is a proper primer. This is a smooth face primer. This I already applied this. So what I did, I applied it in my T-zone area, and then I gently massage it into my skin, right? And now I'm going to use my coconut 3-in-1 primer. With this, I'm going to just moisturize the face a little bit. Ooh, girl, that's a lot. Right, so we're gonna put that in. We're gonna pat that in. So for that coconut primer, 3-in-1 primer, I ordered that on Amazon. I leave that in the description box below so you can check it out. All right, guys, I know I have a big forehead, sorry. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply my foundation. So the foundation that I use is a matte foundation, right? I have oily skin, so I'm going to need something mattifying for my skin, right? So I'm just going to go ahead, I'm going to pump this onto my finger, and I'm just going to apply it to my face, right? And then I'm going to use my makeup brush and just, you know, blend that out into my skin. You can also use your beauty blender to do the application. So 1, 2. All right, so remember, I'm not going to use a lot of makeup because it's just something, just a daily, daily makeup. You can wear it to the supermarket, you can wear it to the store. If you're just going on the road, you can do that. All right, not too much. Let me just get that. You can see a little bit more. All right, so I'm going to just use my brush, and I'm going to just dab that into my skin. I normally apply my makeup to my ear. I don't know if a lot of persons do it, but I do, right? Reason being, I don't want to go out and then my ears is a different color. Also put it under my neck. Get it around the creases of my nose, right here, under my eye. All right, and then I'm going to dab that on my ears, at the corner of my face. My brush feels a little bit dry, but I'm going to work it a little bit, and then I'm going to add a little. All right, so I want to get that up into the hairline. No, you don't want to have it pitchy patchy on your face, so you're going to make sure you blend that out as best as you can. Alright, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more, but I'm going to just add a little bit of my primer to it. Right, and then I'm going to add to get that right up here. Just a little bit more. Not too much. Oh, don't want to do too much on my face. Right. So you can see what I'm doing. Getting around these areas. You want to pat it in. You don't want to swipe it on your face. You want to pat in. Pat in that makeup. Pat it in to your skin. To those areas that are hard reached. Girl, them hands getting tired. Very tired. Right, so for my under eyes, I'm going to use my beauty blender and I'm just going to blend it in a little bit more. You know, I don't want the creasing and all of that. But before I do that, alright, not to worry. Let me pat that in. Alright. Open that up there. Okay. Smooth that out a little bit onto my face. Alrighty. So now I'm going to add my concealer. Where do I feel like a little bit here? It just look too light. Right, let me just get it. Looks a little bit better. Make it a little bit right here. Blend foundation for smoother and even look. Once you're satisfied with your blending, go ahead and apply your concealer. Alright guys, so now I'm going to go into my concealer, right? Depending on your skin tone, you can always use something that is lighter. For me, I'll be using something that is lighter. Alright, so we're going to add concealer to our T-zone areas, under our eyes, chin, under our nose, forehead, that is between our eyebrows, and also on our nose bridge. Once you're finished blending concealer, we're going to go ahead and apply our highlighter, and that is out to our cheek, basically to our T-zone areas also. Right, so we're going to go ahead and set these areas with setting powder. I added my highlighter, I did my blush, you know, I did my eyebrow. I mean, it doesn't seem as if there's a lot going on, but you know, I did it because remember, I don't want to create that glam look, so I did it off camera. So now I'm going to do my eyeshadow. As I said, I don't want it to be too glammy, so I'm going to go ahead. Just going to get that into my crease. Set that up. Eyeshadow application, I'm using my concealer. Reason for this, I think that you get a better application when you're applying the eyeshadow. You can also use your eye primer right over your eye. Right, so I'm going to use my beauty blender. I'm going to blend that out. Get to pat that in. Alright, so if you want, you can use eye primer for this, but I just went ahead and did it with my concealer. Right. Alright, so today I'll be using my Face Gorgeous Me makeup palette. Right. So I'm just going to go for something simple, nothing too much. Alright, so my transition powder, I'm going to use one of these. Alright, so I'm going to start off with my brown. And I'm going to just put that into my crease. I'm going to start right here. I'm going to just work that into my crease. So once you're finished applying your eyeshadow, you can go ahead add your mascara, your eyeliner. Use your setting spray to set face. Okay, so beautiful people, we have reached to the end of our video. So this is my simple makeup beat, everyday makeup beat. This can be worn anywhere. If you're going out, as I tell you, to the movies, even though it's Corona, yeah, but a sister can just imagine, right? So to the grocery store, go and grab lunch, anything. It's just simple. All right, so before we go, I'm gonna go ahead and add my little lip gloss to just top off this look. All right, guys, don't mind the hair, please. Messy. All right, so let's go ahead and get this lip gloss on. I'm not gonna put too much. All right, so that is the look for today. So this is the simple look that we're looking for, and we got it. All right, so my lovely people, thank you for joining me today on my channel, Black Brush Beauty by Indy. So I'll have more videos coming out, so you can look forward to those videos. Remember to subscribe, click that notification bell, like, share, and leave your comments below. I mean, whatever I use in today's video, I'll definitely go ahead and leave them in the description box below. So thank you, lovies. Have a great day. Mwah.